guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So this week we're back with my 3D Perler tutorial video. Last week I posted a video about my vacation. One is getting the passport within a short amount of time, and then the other one is about the Paradies Los Cabos resort in Mexico. So I hope you also get a chance to check them out because they're fun and then informative. So this week I'm coming back to the 3D Perler tutorial, but before I start I'm gonna show you my new logo that I created. So this is the one, how shiny it is, right? So it says Candy Perler Fairy. It kind of symbolizes my name if you already check it out on my Instagram. So it has the candy here, it has the little fairy rings here, and also the heart that I always use. So have you noticed, this is the emoji heart that I always use when I'm replying to your comment or like messages on Instagram, because it looks so cute. I like double hearts, right? So always feel free to comment below, give me suggestions. I'll add it to my list, and if something that I already planning to do, I'll let you know immediately. I mean the 3D Perler suggestions. So hopefully by the time I'm posting this video, this will become my logo on the upper corner. And also if you're interested in mini beads, also check out my new video about how I organize the mini beads and where I get them from. So if you are a big fan of Sailor Moon, you should check out my class to build this cute Sailor Moon 3D Perler on Skillshare. I have a class on Skillshare to show you step by step how to build this cutie. So I will put my link below, the referral link, and you can sign up for a free month of Skillshare Premium, so you will have enough time to build Sailor Moon, and you can feel free to cancel the membership anytime before the 1 month before they charge you, so that you can build this for free. I also have a live video on building this one, so you can also check it out on my live video section. Alright, so today's 3D tutorial is going to build Kirby with Pikachu costume on the top. Actually this one you can also change it. Let me see. Okay, like this. Let me put my sign away. Okay, so right here, and then we can change it to regular Kirby, just like so, and then also we can change it to a head, just like so. So it's super cute, and you can always, if you're very creative and you want your own style, you can always change the top. So I found this pattern a long time ago on Pinterest, but I didn't get a chance to really build it. But finally when I had a chance, I built this one. I was like, oh, super easy. And then also I want to customize it, so that's when I created this one to add onto the top, and it also created the Pikachu head on the top. So today I'm gonna show you how to build this one, and this one, and this one. Alright, so I hope you're ready. Woohoo, let's go!
If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos.
Alright, let's get started. So building Kirby is super easy. So I already laid out all the pieces, and we're gonna use this connector to connect all these pieces together. So I already put them in order. Let's go into the first piece, and then second. Oops. So take your time. Don't be rushing like me. Okay, go this way, the third piece. And then to the back part, the same piece on this side. And then this one. And then last piece on this one. So you should leave 2 rows, one on each side, because we're gonna add more. Okay, so let's come to the bottom. So we're gonna add this piece first. Should fit perfect. Okay, and then adding this piece on the outer layer. Alright, so let's add on to the sides. Alright, so I also lined up the side pieces in order. So it's gonna go like this way, and you should have this set 2 of those so we can do both sides. So let's get started to go this way. Yeah, so make sure you have them in order because they look the same with the same color. So this way is easier and quicker to build your Carbie, and you can start seeing the whole figure. Alright, last piece on this side, and let's add on to the other side. Alright, same on this side. We're gonna go this way this time. Alright, so first piece goes right here. Second piece, so push all the way in. I love building Carbie, so much fun. Yep. Last one. Alright, looking good. And let's add the feet together. So you should have these 2 as well. So going to the bottom and then the other side. Alright, looking good. Let's add the front, the back, and the top. Alright, so you have these pieces right here for the front and the back. Alright, so let's pop this one to the top, but hold it back so that centerpiece will not slide back. Go like this, just like so. And then second layer, and then one more piece to the top. Let's turn it over. So this one first, go like this, looking good. And then this one, always find the layer that will lay flatter to other pieces. Yep, looking good. Last piece. As you can see, I kind of turn it because I noticed this side is better than the other. Oops, what's wrong with this one? No. Okay. Alright, looking good. Pretty easy, right? Let's add on to the top. Alright, coming to the final steps. Alright, so let's go with this piece first to the top. Your time, and then this is gonna be the second piece to the top. Okay, 2 more. All right, last one. Yay, we got our Carbie. Isn't he cute? All right, so if you're ready to build a custom on the top, so keep watching. All right, so this is the pattern that you will need for the head. All right, so it's very simple. I'm sure you will do this really quick. All right, so let's build the cube. So I already lay out the pieces for you, so it's easier, just pop them to the top. Now once you build all the sides together and then pop this to the top, then you already formed the top part. And then now we're just gonna simply insert it here. Yep. We got it. So let's bring back Carbie right here, and then we move the top piece on the side, put it right here, and then you can see it just clip it on there. Yay! Now Carbie has a head. Alright, so if you want to build a Pikachu, continue watching. Alright, so building the Pikachu head is very easy. So I already lay out all the pieces here. Is go like this, the order. So this is going to be the centerpiece. So let's get connected with the first one. So just follow the order that I place it this way, and you will get it. So let's go. I love this Pikachu costume because it looks really cute. Yep, keep going, and we're almost there. Yep. All right, so we built all the pieces. Let's complete to the top. So this is gonna be the piece to add to the top. So it looks like that. And also the 2 side pieces right here. Yeah, just like so. And then the other one. Alright, let's bring back Kirby. Right here. So simply we move the head right here. And then here, you can see, you can just pop onto here. So you can see all the layers. Oops. Yeah, take your time. It fits perfect. So, yay! Now you got the Pikachu head all over Kirby. Super cute, right? Alright, so I hope you like this video and give me a thumbs up. And also continue to stay tuned for more tutorials. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching my video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you!